XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned the way it's moving is corrective and we can expect the price to drop. And if we refer to the indicators, we can see it was losing the momentum and as well here. Okay, as what we expected, the price dropped. And even if you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned exactly here, I mentioned if anyone wants to look for buy, they need to be quite careful. As we can see, there was a continuation. That means there was no opportunity to look for buy. And even if anyone get their buy from here, they had many times to take out the trade. Okay, but right now we want to see what's the next, whether this is a correction in relative to this for one more drop or the price can reverse. If the price reverses a corrective move, we are not going to look for trade. That means we cannot get any trade set up for buy. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have. If we move to daily chart, and right now we're looking at this correction. Okay, we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. All right, but as we can see here, we have a flat. And if we're looking this one as a flat in relative to this, the price have to retest the previous low. Okay, we are not looking for sell. The only thing is if we're looking for trade for buy based on lower time frame, we need to know about that possibility. And if we move to 4 hour chart, can we consider this is the start of the up move and this is the correction? Most of the charts, they have a similar movement. And we want to see whether this one can turn to similar to what we have here, at least for one more drop. Because if this one give us one more drop, we can put this one as a flat for reversal for long term. But if the price reverse from here, still we will be doing this move. And that's mean even if the price retest the previous stop, which is 0.45, the possibility we get one more drop is very high. Okay, that's why the best thing is if the price can give us one more drop and with the breakout of the previous low, it can give us better confirmation. This is the best things. And even if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, I was keep highlighting the price will drop, and exactly this is what we get. But the only question is how deep it can go, whether the price can retest the previous low or not. Okay, in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. You want to see how we can look for trade. As I mentioned, technically, when we see this kind of the corrective move and relative to this, mostly we can expect the price to drop. But the way it's reversing, and even if the price continues as a corrective move, it doesn't give us any trade setup to look for buy. What I want to see is that if the price reverses we have right now as a corrective, we are not going to look for buy. We just let it go unless we see some changes. Because mostly when we see this kind of the corrective, we can expect the price to either the drop and retest the previous low or deeper correction for continuation. If we get the deeper correction for continuation, then we can look for buy. But right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. And again, when we see this kind of the corrective move, we can expect the price to drop. And if we want to look for sell, we need to get the sharp move flag, then we take the trade, and at the with the breakout of 0.37 we start to manage it. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.